Hey guys, I want to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Don't let one person in your life make you so sad, so makes you give up. Of all the people in the world, all the people that you meet, all the people that you know, all the people that are kin to you or not, don't let that one person say something to just mess the whole day up. You gotta just do it like a duck. Just shake that off like water on a duck's back. Shake it off. I know in that we have talked to people that intentionally want to make people feel bad. They have it in them. For some reason, they feel like they have to say things, and their pat answer is, "I just want to be honest." Being honest doesn't mean to hurt people's feelings. You can say things to people without being too honest. I don't mean it to say anything that's not true, but for instance, when someone says to you, "Do you like my hat?" You can say, "It's a very pretty hat, but I like the other hat you had on better." Do you understand what I'm saying? You can word things a lot differently than to make someone feel bad. Something to think about. I hope you guys have a great day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. Laugh it off. Laugh it off. Laugh it off when they say something unkind. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Until tomorrow. Keep that smile. I'm sending you a hug. I hope you feel it.